Sunny the sparrow loved rain more than anything. One morning, there was no rain. "I will find the rain," Sunny chirped. He flew to the wise old owl. "Where is the rain?" Sunny asked. "Over the mountains," the owl hooted. Sunny flapped his tiny wings. He soared over hills and rivers. Sunny met a cheerful butterfly. "Have you seen the rain?" he tweeted. "Follow the rainbow," giggled the butterfly. Sunny saw a bright rainbow arch. He flew under its colorful arc. He met a gentle deer grazing. "The rain danced here," said Deer. Sunny's heart filled with hope. He searched near sparkling waterfalls. Droplets trickled, but no rainstorm. Sunny felt a drop on his beak. The sky began to cry gently. Sunny sang with joy in sprinkles. Raindrops made melodies in puddles. Sunny found the rain at last. He danced under the cloudy sky. "Rain is worth the wait," he chirped.